Okay, so right away we'd be actually taking care of another issue. Let's go ahead and restart our app. Now here's the thing that we do. We can skip to next page and click again. Now it does go there, that's fine, but you see it pops out with a white background, and the same over here if you scroll over here. So this is the first thing that we want to take care. Now to be able to take care, actually we need to work on our main function actually inside this my app class. So over here we have to define our color scheme, because we are working pretty much with dark scheme or dark screen. So based on that we have to define our color scheme. Now the color scheme we're going to define will have primary swatch color and brightness. So let's go ahead and declare a variable at the top, and here we'll say static final, and here we'll say default dark color scheme. All right, this one, and over here we'll call a color scheme object, color scheme. And over here, well, we don't want it like this, so let's step back, and here we say from swatch, this one. And inside this, let's set up property. So the first one is primary swatch, this one. And over here, since we are working with dark screen or dark mode actually, so here we need to assign it as blue, and the second one is brightness. So once again, since we are using dark theme, so here we do brightness dot dark. All right, so now we need to be able to use this default color scheme or default color scheme, and actually we need to be able to use it here inside this material app. So let's go ahead and find our dark theme, and here we'll set up our theme data. We'd set up theme data using the new color scheme. So here we'll assign color scheme, and we're going to assign default color scheme. And after that, of course, we also need to assign our background color for scaffold. So here we do scaffold background color. Here we do app colors dot k background color. Now, of course, k background color is also our dark color. And at the same time, because this is a new Flutter version, so here we do material 3. Use material 3, material color, and material color scheme, and everything like that. And after that, over here we're going to define theme mode, one more thing, setup theme mode, and then here we do theme mode dot dark. And with this, after that, if we restart our app, here we'll see something like this. So now you try to scroll left and right, and you'll see that the white background has gone. Now that all happened due to at the top we have defined our default color scheme, and that we have used inside this theme data, and with this we are good to go. So if you encounter the same problem, you need to set this up and you should be good to go.